Hello guys, what's up? For today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to share a world in Fortnite Lego Fortnite with your friends. So this is a fun and quick way to do this, so let me show you how to do it. So first off, when you're inside the game, make sure that you and your friend is in the same place. So you should be both present in the game and together. So first thing you want to do is click on the M key on your keyboard, and it will be showing the map. And then kindly click on players, as you can see here on my snippet. Click on the players tab. Once you're here, it will show you and your guest or your friend. And then what you want to do is invite players. And then here also shows the remaining keys on your game. So make sure that you're not exhausting all your keys. Once you do that, it will pop up that your key has been shared. So in this case, is now a key holder for this world. And so that's it. Your friend, on the other hand, has to accept the key. So how to do it? Instead, that you will be joining your friend's world. So it's easy once that they have shared the key with you. It will pop up this user interface, and what you want to do is just click the join button, and there you go. You have joined your friend's world. That's it. Thank you.